Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change an alternator on a Hyundai Sonata. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical shorts. Next, gather all necessary tools, including a serpentine belt tool, various wrenches, and sockets. Make sure your engine is completely cool before you start, as hot components can cause burns. This preparation ensures a safer and smoother replacement process. Now, let's get to removing the old alternator. Begin by using your serpentine belt tool to relieve tension, then carefully remove the belt from the alternator pulley. Next, disconnect all electrical connections, including the main power wire and any smaller sensor wires. Finally, unbolt the alternator's mounting bolts, typically 2 or 3, and carefully maneuver the old unit out of the engine bay. With the old alternator out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new alternator into its mounting bracket and secure all mounting bolts, ensuring they are tightened to specification. Reconnect all electrical wires, making sure each connection is firm and correct. Finally, route the serpentine belt back onto all pulleys, including the alternator, and use your tool to restore proper tension. For the final steps, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your engine and immediately check for proper charging voltage, which should be between 13.5 and 14.5 volts. Listen for any unusual noises and ensure all dashboard warning lights are off. This confirms your new alternator is working correctly. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.